Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Yes children, are you fine? Yes, so now let's start our social science class. Okay, so all of you take a social science book. All of you take a social science book and social science classwork, homework, pencil, eraser, everything. Check children, take and keep with you. Take fast. Have you taken children? Have you taken everything? Yes, so the revision is going on. Yes or no children? In social science there is only 4 lessons. So already we had completed all the lesson. Yes or no children? So that's why we have started our revision. Okay, so every day you should study the classwork and homework and write and see in your rough note. Okay children, because our quarterly exam coming near us. So don't waste the time. Okay children, every day you should study and write and see in your rough note. Okay children? Okay. Yes, so now let's start our revision today. Okay, so all of you take a social science book. Take book page number 165. Have you taken children page number 165? Yes, so today we are going to learn about the good values. Okay, so good values are classified into 5 categories. Okay, so good values are classified into 5 categories. So already in the previous class we have learnt about detailing personal values. Yes or no children? We learnt detailing about personal values. So now today we are going to learn detailing about cultural values. Okay children? Okay. Yes. So good values are the quality of a person. Good values are the quality of a person. So we have to develop our good values. We have to develop some good values. Only we can live in the society. Yes or no children? We can live in the society. We cannot live alone. Yes or no? We want to live in the society. Society, there are many members. Yes or no? So we have to develop some good values. Then only we can live in the society. Okay children, so good values are the quality of your people that keep society running. Okay, so good value, every individual person we need good values. Every individual person we need good values. Good values means நற்பண்புகள். So எல்லா மனிதர்களுக்கும் நற்பண்புகள் வேணும். ஓகே, ஸோ நம்ம எல்லாருக்கும் ஹெல்ப் பண்ணணும், எல்லாரோடையும் அன்பாக நடந்துக்கணும், எல்லாரோடையும் நேர்மையாக இருக்கணும், உண்மையாக இருக்கணும், கொடுக்கணும், வாங்கணும், எல்லாமே செய்யணும். ஓகே, ஸோ லைக் தட் குட் வேல்யூஸ் ஆர் த குவாலிட்டி ஆஃப் எ பர்சன். ஓகே, ஸோ தட் கிவ்ஸ் சொசைட்டி running. So good values are classified into 5 types. Okay, so they are personal value, cultural value, social value, disciplinary value and constitutional value. Okay, so good values are 5 types. So they are personal value, cultural value, social value, disciplinary value, constitutional value. Okay children, so personal values, you can see personal values is the basic value for every individual. So every individual person we need personal values. Okay, every individual person ku நமக்கு என்ன வேணும்? personal value வேணும். Okay, so personal value is the basic value for every individual. Okay, so ஒவ்வொரு தனிப்பட்ட மனிதனுக்கும் இருக்க வேண்டிய வேல்யூ personal value. So personal value is the basic value for every individual. Okay, so some of the personal values are given here. See the picture children. Honesty, first one. Honesty means நேர்மையா நடந்துக்கிறது. Okay, honesty. Next generosity. Next generosity, that is பெருந்தன்மை. Okay, பெருந்தன்மையா இப்போ மலையில் நனைஞ்சிட்டு இருக்கிறோம், இப்போ நமக்குள்ள கூடைய நம்ம மலையில் நனைஞ்சாலும் பரவாயில்ல, அடுத்தவங்க நினைக்கக்கூடாது அப்படின்னு கொடுக்குறோம்ல. ஸோ தட் இஸ் ஜெனரோசிட்டி, பெருந்தன்மை. நமக்கு இல்லைனாலும் பரவாயில்ல, அடுத்தவங்களுக்கு கொடுக்கணும், ஹெல்ப் பண்ணணும். ஸோ தேட் மைண்ட். ஓகே, ஸோ தட் இஸ் ஜெனரோசிட்டி, பெருந்தன்மை. ஓகே சில்ட்ரன். நெக்ஸ்ட்டு ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஷிப். நெக்ஸ்ட்டு ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஷிப், எல்லாரோடையும் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஷிப்பாக நண்பர்களாக பழகிறது. ஓகே, ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஷிப். நெக்ஸ்ட்டு மர்சி. நெக்ஸ்ட்டு மர்சி மீன்ஸ் கருணை. ஸோ நாய்க்குட்டி பூனைக்குட்டி கூட நல்லா பழகுவாங்க அப்படின்னா, ஸோ தட் இஸ் கருணை. ஓகே, ஸோ நம்மளை விட்டால் வேறு யாருமே இல்லை அப்படின்ட்டு அவங்கள அந்த உயிரினங்களோட இரக்கமோட பழகிறது. ஓகே, கருணை. நெக்ஸ்ட்டு லவ், அன்பு, எல்லாரோடையும் அன்பாக நடந்துக்கிறது. ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட்டு ஹாஸ்பிட்டாலிட்டி. இப்போ somebody coming to our house, கெஸ்ட்லாம் வராங்க அப்படின்னா we show hospitality to our guests. Okay children, ஸோ நம்ம வீட்டுக்கெலாம் கெஸ்ட்டு விருந்துக்கு வராங்க அப்படின்னா நம்ம வீட்டில் இருக்கக்கூடிய எல்லா திங்ஸையும் அவங்களுக்கு கொடுத்து நம்ம நினச்சிவோம் நல்லா உபசரிப்போம் அப்படிதான். ஸோ தட் இஸ் ஹாஸ்பிட்டாலிட்டி. ஓகே, we show hospitality to our guest. ஓகே children, நமக்கு இருக்கக்கூடிய நம்ம வீட்டில் இருக்கக்கூடியதெல்லாம் நம்மளோட கெஸ்ட்டுக்கு கொடுத்து உபசரிக்கிறது. ஓகே children, so that is hospitality. Okay, so these are the basic value for every individual. Okay children, so these are the personal values. Okay, do you understand children? Yes, so now today we are going to recall about the topic of cultural value. பண்பாட்டு நெறிமுறை. Cultural value means பண்பாட்டு நெறிமுறை. பண்பாட்டு நெறிமுறை. Okay children, so cultural values. Okay, so to become well mannered or culture is an essence of society. So to become well mannered means நன்னடத்தை. Okay, become well mannered நன்னடத்தை and cultured நற்பண்பு is an essence of a society. ஸோ நம்ம சொசைட்டியோட எசன்ஸ் என்ன? நம்மளுடைய நல்நடத்தையும் நற்பண்புகளும் தான் நம்ம சொசைட்டியோட எசன்ஸ். ஓகே சில்ட்ரன், ஸோ கல்ச்சர் இஸ் த ப்ராடக்ட் ஆஃப் ஹியூமன் எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ். ஸோ கல்ச்சர் இஸ் த ப்ராடக்ட் ஆஃப் human experience. Okay children, so to become well mannered and culture is an essence for society, essence of society. So this help to maintain cultural values. Okay children, so irrespective of language and religion, people live together in harmony. Yes or no children? So nammaloda society la different type of language people, different religion peoples all are there. Yes or no children? நம்ம சொசைட்டியில் ஹிந்து, முஸ்லீம், கிறிஸ்டியன்ஸ் அப்படி நிறைய ரிலீஜியன் பீப்புள் இருக்காங்க அப்படிதானே, நிறைய மக்கள் இருக்காங்க அப்படிதானே சில்ட்ரன்? எஸ் ஆர் நோ? எஸ். ஸோ இன் அவர் கண்ட்ரி country Hindus, Muslims, Christians, so like that different religion is there. Yes or no? So different religion and different language also is there. Yes, Tamil, English, Malayalam, Telugu, like that different language people also is there. Yes, so irrespective of language, religion, people live together in harmony. So நம்மளோட சொசைட்டியில் நிறைய லாங்குவேஜ், நிறைய மத பீப்புளெலாம் இருக்காங்க. ஆனால் நம்ம எல்லோரும் எப்படி இருக்கிறோம்? ஒன்றா இருக்கிறோம். ஓகே, ஸோ இட் இஸ் வெரி difficult to change. It is very difficult to change because it is followed by many years. Yes or no children? ஸோ நம்மளோட ரிலீஜியனை உடனே மாற்றிக்க முடியுமா? நம்மளோட மதத்தை உடனே மாற்ற முடியுமா? முடியாது. ஸோ தட் இஸ் வெரி டிஃபிகல்ட் டு சேஞ்ச். நம்மளோட மதத்தை, நம்மளோட லாங்குவேஜை உடனே என்ன செய்ய முடியாது? சேஞ்ச் பண்ண முடியாது. தட் இஸ் வெரி வெரி டிஃபிகல்ட். எஸ் ஆர் நோ சில்ட்ரன்? பிகாஸ் இட் இஸ் ஃபாலோட் பை மெனி இயர்ஸ். எஸ் ஆர் நோ? ஸோ நம்ம மெனி இயர்ஸாக அதை ஃபாலோ பண்ணிகிட்ருக்கோம். ஸோ அதனால் உடனே நம்மளால் என்ன செய்ய முடியாது? சேஞ்ச் பண்ண முடியாது. தட் இஸ் வெரி difficult to change. Okay children, so that is why it is called as traditional values. It is called as traditional values. So these values are on hand, that quality of our life. Okay children, so that all the values only in our hand, that is the quality of our life. That is the quality of our life. Okay, so this only helps to maintain the cultural values. So we must live together as brothers and sisters in our society. So in our society we all are humans. So we have to live together. As brothers and sisters. Okay children, so nama society la different language, different religion people all there. Okay, so we need to keep the good relationship to others. Okay children, so that only helps to maintain the cultural value. Okay children, so we all are humans, so we must live together as a brothers and sisters. Okay children, okay, so that is only ensure the quality of our life. Okay children, do you understand? Okay, so you can see the picture. There are different places are there. Yes, church, mosque, temple. Yes, so like that different places are there. So different religion people also is there in our society. So we all are humans, so we must live together as a brothers and sisters. Okay children, okay, have you understood children about cultural value? Yes. Yes, so now the next topic, social value, we will learn our next class. Okay children, okay. Yes, so now all of you take social book, page number 164. Take a social science book, take book page number 164 and take pencil also. Somebody, have you finished this page? But somebody have not finished this page. Yes or no children? When you come to the school for correction, I have to check. Okay, now you should finish. Okay, all of you should finish now. Okay, somebody finished, somebody not finished, so have to finish all of you. Okay children, next time when you come to the school for correction, I have to check. Okay children, you didn't finish means I will not correct your classwork and homework. Okay children, you should finish your book also. Okay children, yes. So now I will say the answer. You have to write the answer in your blank. Okay children, okay. Page number 164. That is the activity. You can see the children. You can see activity. Let us write. Okay, so use the personal values. Personal values. There are some personal values already we have learnt in the previous class. Yes or no children? So what are they? Say children. Love, mercy, generosity, honesty, truth, friendship, hospitality, peace, tolerance, faith. Yes. So that all the personal values we have learnt, we have recalled in the previous class. We have learnt in the previous class. Yes or no children? So you need to use the personal value. Any one personal values you have to use and fill in the blank. Okay, you have to use the personal values. You can take the personal values and fill in the blanks. Okay children, so you can find. Okay, so first one, we show dash to all living beings. We show dash to all living beings. So you can take a personal value from the personal values. Any one personal value. Which one is correct? You can see love. We show love to all living beings. That is correct children. Yes. So நம்மளோட அன்பை நம்மளோட living beings, வாழக்கூடிய உயிர் வாழக்கூடிய எல்லார் மேலேயும் அன்பை காட்டணும். ஓகே children, so we show love to all living beings. So we show love to all living beings. So you can write the first blank love, L-O-V-E, love. Okay, did you write children? Then second, help the poor with generosity. Help the poor with the generosity. There is the spelling children. You can see personal value. There is the spelling generosity. You can see and write correctly. G-E-N-E-R-O-S-I-T-Y, generosity. Help the poor with generosity. பெருந்தன்மையோட நடந்துக்கணும். poorக்குலாம் என்ன செய்யணும்? ஹெல்ப் பண்ணணும். Okay children, so generosity, G-E-N-E-R-O-S-I-T-Y, generosity. Okay, then third, DAS is the best policy. So answer, honest. Honesty is the best policy. Honesty, H-O-N-E-S-T-Y, honesty. Honesty is the best policy. You can see there is the spelling children. Honesty, H-O-N-E-S-T-Y, honesty is the best policy. Okay, then fourth, the best relationship with is DAS. The best relationship is DAS. The best relationship with the friendship. Okay, friendship, F-R-I-E-N-D-S-H-I-P, F-R-I-E-N-D-S-H-I-P, friendship. Okay, then fifth, we show hospitality to our guests. Okay, so we show hospitality to our guests. Okay, so நம்ம வீட்டுக்கு கெஸ்ட் எல்லாம் வராங்க அப்படின்னா நம்ம என்ன நல்லா உபசரிக்கணும். Okay, so hospitality means விருந்தோம்பல். Okay children, so we show hospitality to our guests. So the fifth one answer is hospitality. Okay, you can see the hospitality spelling there, HOSPITALITY, 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 hospitality. The best, sorry, we show hospitality to our guests. Okay, next sixth, we show mercy to those who suffer. So யாரா கஷ்டப்பட்டு இருக்காங்க அப்படினா உங்களுக்கு கருணையோட ஹெல்ப் பண்ணனும். Okay children, we show mercy to those who suffer. Mercy, the answer is mercy, 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 karunai. Okay, next seventh, always speak the truth. உண்மையே எப்பவுமே செய்யணும் பேசணும். Okay, always speak the truth. Yes, sorry, TRUTH, truth. Next, eighth, we must maintain tolerance in public. Okay, so public oda tolerance அகிப்பத்தன்மையோட நடந்துக்கணும். Okay, we must maintain tolerance in public. Okay children, so the 8 fill-ups, did you finish children? Yes. Next, page number 164, there is think. You can write the answer also there. Grow trees to get மரம் வளர்த்தால் மழை கிடைக்கும். Okay, so grow trees to get rain. Grow trees to get rain, RAIN, rain. Okay, then second, million benefit if they live unity. Million benefit if they live unity. ஒற்றுமையோட வாழ்ந்தா நமக்கு நிறைய நலன் கிடைக்கும். So million benefit if they live unity, UNITY, unity. ஒன்றுபட்டால் உண்டு வாழ்வு அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்களா? ஸோ ஒரு பழமொழி, ஒன்றுபட்டு வாழ்ந்தால் நிறைய நன்மைகள் உண்டு. Okay children, so million benefits if they live unity. Okay, so did you finish children? Page number 164, did you finish? Next, page number 163, you can take page number 163, that also have to finish now. Activity, let us write activity. Let us write. You can write children, what is your mother tongue? What is your mother tongue? உங்களோட language, what language you are speaking now? So you can write there, your mother tongue. So you can write the answer Tamil, 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 Tamil. Okay children. Next, dash is the best policy. Honesty is the best policy. Honesty is the best policy. HONESTY, honesty is the best policy. Okay, then third, main food of North India is wheat. Okay, so North Indian peoples, their main food wheat, godumai, WHEAT, 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 wheat. Main food of North India is wheat. Okay, then fourth, rice is the main food of South Indian. So South Indian, we all are South Indian, yes. So our main food is rice, RICE, rice. Okay, then fifth, how many languages do you know? How many languages do you know children? So you can write Tamil, English, like that, 2 language. Otherwise any other language also you can know, means you can write 3, 4, like that you can write. Okay children, so how many languages do you know? You can write answer 1 language, 2 language, like that you have to write the answer there. Okay children, yes, so you have to finish children. So page number 163 and 64, did you finish children? Yes. So our next value, next good value, social value, we will learn our next class. Okay children, so today we have learnt about cultural value. Yes or no children, do you understand that? Yes. So now all of you take your social homework and classwork note. First of all, you have to take social classwork note. We are going to write some extra classwork now. Take your social classwork note children. Have you taken social classwork note children? Yes, so all of you write continuously. Already in the previous class we have finished 15 choose the correct answer. Yes or no, children? So did you write everything? 15 choose the correct answer, children? Did you write correctly and neatly? Yes, so all of you have to study, okay? If you study, children, if you study, you can write the answers in your rough note. Okay, children, you have to study every day and write and see in your rough note. Okay, children? So every day you should study the classwork and homework and write and see in your rough note. Okay, children? Yes, so now you can leave only one line and write continuously. Today classwork, fill in the blanks. So first of all, write today date and day. Then start to write, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. So the first fill up, the word citizen means people of a nation. The word citizen means people of a nation. So you can underline people. The word citizen means people of a nation. So you can underline people. Okay. Next, second fill up, the main objective of education is to input good values in people. The main objective of education is to input good values in people. So you can underline good values. The main objective of education is to input good values in people. Okay, children, did you finish? Second fill up, children. So you can underline good values. Okay, then third fill up, leave one line and write third fill up. Show love to each other. Show love to each other. Show love to each other. So leave one line and write third fill up. Show love to each other. You can underline love. Show love to each other. Underline love. Okay, then fourth, leave one line and write fourth one. Always be honest in delivering duty. Always be honest. நம்மளோட டியூட்டிஸ் எல்லாம் செய்யும்போது எப்பவுமே எப்படி இருக்கணும்? உண்மையோட இருக்கணும். Honesty. Okay, so always be honest in delivering duty. நம்மளோட டியூட்டியை செய்யும்போது எப்பவுமே உண்மையோட இருக்கணும். நேர்மையா இருக்கணும். Okay, children? So always be honesty. நேர்மையோட நடந்துக்கணும். Okay, so எந்த செயலை செய்தாலும் நேர்மையா இருக்கணும். Okay, children? So always be honesty in delivering duty. So you can underline honest. Always be honest in delivering duty. You can underline honest. Okay, then okay, children, then leave one line and write fifth fill up. The best relationship is friendship. The best relationship is friendship. So you can underline friendship. The best relationship is friendship. So in your book there are some fill-ups. Yes or no, children? So there is a activity. Yes. So there is some fill-ups. So you can study that fill-up also. Okay, children? So you want to study that fill-up also. That also very important. Okay, children? You have to study that 8 fill-ups. Page number 164 and 163. There are also 5 fill-ups. Yes. Yes or no, children? Yes. So have to study that fill-up also. That also very, very important. Have to study. Okay, children? Yes. So did you write this 5 fill-up, children? Yes. So now we are going to read. The word citizen means people of a nation. Say all of you. The word citizen means people of a nation. Okay, then second, the main objective of education is to input good values in people. Okay, then third, show love to others. Show love to others. Okay, then fourth, always be honest in delivering duty. Okay, always be honest in delivering duty. Then fifth, the best relationship is friendship. The best relationship is friendship. Okay, children, did you write? Did you write, children? Have you finished everything? Yes, so it is the class of today. So now all of you take a homework note. Take a social homework note. We are going to write homework now. Take, children. Okay, children, all of you take a social homework note. We are going to write homework now. Take a social homework note. Write today date and day in your homework note. All of you write today date and day. Right, children? So in your classwork note and in your homework note, every day you should write today date and day. Okay, children, you should write date and day every day. Okay, yes, so write today date and day, then start to write fill-ups. Fill-ups. So first fill-up, always speak the dash. Always speak the dash. Always speak the dash. Okay, then finished. Leave one line and write second fill-up. We show dash to our guests. We show dash to our guest. We show dash to our guest. Finish, children. Then leave one line and write third fill-up. We must live together as dash and dash. We must live together as dash and dash. You can search the answers from the book. Okay, children? Yes. So this 3 fill-ups. Then one more question answer also have to study. Okay, children, you have to study and write the answer in your homework note. You can see the classwork and study clearly. After that only write the answer in your homework note. Okay, children? So write a short note on cultural values. Write a short note on cultural values. So only one question you have to study. Okay, children? So today all of you must study this question and write your rough note and also homework note. You can study clearly. After that write and see in your rough note. After that only you have to write the answer in your homework note. Okay, children? So today all of you must study today classwork, fill-ups and homework, this one question and the 3 fill-ups. That also you want to study today itself. Study and write and see in your rough note. Okay, children? Every day you have to study every day. Okay, children? You have to study every day and write and see. Okay, children? படிச்சா மட்டும் போதாது, அதை எழுதி பார்க்கணும். அப்பதான் spelling mistake வராம நம்மளால கரெக்ட்டா எழுத முடியும். Okay, children? So every day you should study and write and see in your rough note. Okay, children? Next when you come to the school for correction, you have to bring the rough note also. Okay, children? I have to check if you study or not. I have to check. After that only I will correct the classwork and homework. Okay, children? So you need to study every day and write and see. Okay? Yes. So the next topic we will learn our next class. Okay, children? Then we will see our next class. Have a nice day. Bye.